What's up, y'all? Welcome to my underground bunker tonight. So I told you I'd bring an update video on this little CLX from Primary Arms, and I've shot 250 rounds through it, through my 365 on this slide. I put my EPS carry back on it because I wanted to see how I feel about it. But this is a multi-reticle dot, and so right now it's just got the regular dot on it right now. You couldn't see you wouldn't be able to see the circle dot anyway on this camera, I don't believe. But trust me, it has a circle dot. And I kind of like the circle dot and I kind of don't. But I wanted to see. I couldn't really tell between the glass, but I'm gonna tell you right now, you can see for yourself. The glass is pretty good on the dot, and it held zero, and I dropped it, not on the concrete or nothing, but in my house on the floor. It's got a little mark right there, and I had went back to the range, and it still was on zero, and I laser bore sighted it, and it still was on zero, so it didn't mess it up when I dropped it. It was just the slide that I dropped with the optic on it. Now, comparing it to the Holosun probably is not a fair thing, but I've also heard that Holosun makes Primary Arms optics. So, they're probably made in the same factory. Yeah, you're talking $179 versus $399. And I'm telling you, it held zero, and you can see for yourself the glass, and I wanted to put it on here so you could see the glass. I mean, the dot's it's just a better dot, and this has got make sure, I don't want to tell y'all nothing. I'll tell you a lie. Yeah, it's the 3 MOA. Let me make sure. I should say it on there. Oh yeah, 3 MOA dot. Okay. This is I believe this is 3.2 or 2.5 or something like that. But you can check it. I haven't done a video on this one, but I might do a video on it, but I've had it for a long time. I've had it on other guns too, so it's been a good optic. But for $179, I'll tell you some things I do like better about this one than I do this one. First of all, I like the way it looks better. I like how it's rounded off. It seems like the window's bigger. I could be wrong, but it sure does do a little comparison. It seems like the window's bigger on that. See if you can get both of her dots. So you see that dot? That dot. You see for yourself. I mean, I don't got no perfect camera or nothing like that, man. I'm just a regular old dude reviewing stuff, man. And what I can afford. I'm not going to go out there and drop it a million times and torch out. I mean, it's my money, and I'm just giving you an update on it. But I'm going to keep on shooting. I'm going to put it on my other 365. That's why I got it off, because I have it my SIG optic on there. Their little Romeo one. I don't like it, so I like this a lot better. It's plastic and it's the Romeo RS, the one with the metal inside of it, and so I think I'm going to take it back and just keep this one over that Romeo RS. And the Romeo RS one's cheap too, like $149, but Primary Arms, man, you just can't beat it for the warranty. I mean, okay, well, I was saying I need to tell you, I think the glass is a little better. I like the way the battery tray is on this one versus this one. I do not like that crap. I promise you, to me, it seems like a big failure point. And it's just hard to get into. This quarter, you can see where I've already boogered it up a little bit. But this is 6061, this is 7075, but a 6061 is technically It's not as strong, no, but it's more wear resistant than 7075. Don't let nobody tell you any difference against chemicals and stuff. Um, Now, like I said, I dropped it on a tile floor, and it's nothing, you know, and it held zero. And I will say that I do like the clicks on it. It has an audible little. I mean, there ain't real. You ain't gonna they're not like real loud, but you can hear it. A little bit. Not with your earplugs in or nothing like that. But if you're at the house messing with it, you can. But you can definitely feel it. It's audible and tactile, and I like that. In some optics, they're not. They just turn. No clicks or nothing. And this is a MOA. It says, let's see. Yes, it's a MOA adjustment, MOA adjustment. So I mean that's good. Minute of angle. Uh, like I said, for the price, for $176, and and then you catch it on sale, and it's free shipping. Any Primary Arms, if you order this right now, it's free shipping. And I mean, I'm telling you, it doesn't take them long to ship either. I mean, I live in Texas, and of course, they're in the Houston area. I'm in the Houston area, so it doesn't damn sure don't take them long to give me nothing. But if I was to put my money on something and I had to choose, and I didn't have the budget for the EPS carry, I would definitely go with this over the EPS carry. And I know I'm going to get a lot of shit on that, but what are you doing with it? I understand. That people say, but it's not a Trijicon. You'll get them to say that. Don't matter if it's a Holosun or not. It's not a Trijicon to them. But Holosuns are well tested too, and Primary Arms stuff is well tested too. And this is a new one from them, and I'm telling you, I think they got a winner with this one. This is an enclosed red dot, and just like the EPS carrier. If you know what that means, it means that it's inside. It's got two windows, not just one. And so the dot's inside there, so you don't got to worry about any trash or anything getting up in there. It's got that little sight on it. That's okay, I guess, if you have just regular sights. I have a suppressor height sight, so it doesn't matter. I can't see it anyway. But this one has the same thing. It's just suspicious. It's basically a cheaper version of a Holosun, probably made on the same production line, man. To be honest with you, and you're just paying it's a lot cheaper for this. So I wouldn't be scared to buy it. If you don't like it, they got a policy too. If you can trade it in 90 days, something like that. If you don't like the optic or whatever, if you're not impressed with it, they'll honor that. But if it breaks or anything, I promise you they will fix it. I've had an optic do that, an Opa box optic before, and I took a chance with it. It was blemished and open box, and so it messed. But I don't even really know if it was. I just couldn't get it to zero good, and I brought it to them. They didn't even ask me nothing, man. They just replaced it. They didn't even check it. They just replaced it, and so that was cool. So I would definitely give them a try, man. I don't mean to be rambling on, but I was trying to make this video. Somebody asked me about it, wanted me to do an update, about it and what I think about it, and looking at the dot and stuff like that, and how good it held zero or whatever. And so I've only got 250 rounds through it. So, that's not 1,000 rounds, or I'm not doing no torture test or, something like that. But I did accidentally drop it. So, I don't want to drop my shit because I don't want it to, I don't want to get scratches and crap all over it. But I do want to know. I do like seeing some of them videos with them guys out there that do that kind of stuff, and but they, some of it's kind of not real world, man. You're not gonna drop it from 20 feet and onto and expect it not to break, and if it doesn't, then hell yeah, that's badass. But I haven't done it to this one. And you know, I'm sure if I did, they probably would honor it and take it back, because it says unlimited lifetime warranty, and I don't have no reason to question them on that. They've always been really good about it. So I would definitely give it a try. Like I said, it's a RMSC footprint. It's made from 6061 aluminum, and it has audible clicks on the windage up and down, and the windage left and right. So elevation up and down, windage left and right. Sometimes, man, you can get on there too. It'll confuse you though when you're zeroing these things in. So you gotta, you know, when you look at the little arrow, especially if you ain't got good eyes. But it's definitely a good optic, man. I haven't figured out what that little thing is right there. I don't know if it's like a reset button or something. It looks like to be. That's what it is. But I could be wrong. I ain't seen nothing in the manual about it. But all right, man. So I appreciate y'all coming out tonight, and I'll let y'all take another look at it. Up and down. You can turn it off. Gets pretty bright. Let me do some brightness settings and get it as bright as I can. Okay, so that's as bright as it is right there. Let's get it low. Barely see it. I can see it. I can see it in there. It's hard. And it's a crisp dot. You can see it right there. You can see it. It's a crisp dot, and I have bad eyes, so, and I'm looking at it with the bottom of my glasses, so I'm trying to look through it through the camera. But it looks better than what, definitely with the camera's not going to really show you that good, but I would definitely give it a try, man. It's definitely a good optic in my opinion. And it's Primary Arms, like I said, lifetime warranty. I appreciate y'all coming out. If you could, like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you get this optic, tell me what you think, and if you have any problems with it, so I'll know. You know, if you drop it or mess it up. But I appreciate y'all coming out. Thank you.